Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Chase Freedom Flex credit card online. Quick setup step by step clearly. To activate your Chase Freedom Flex credit card online, begin by visiting the official Chase website. On the home page, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click on it to access the login page. If you already have a Chase account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the Not Enrolled? Sign Up Now link to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab from the main menu. Find the option for Activate Card or Credit Card Services. Click on this option to start the activation process. Next, enter your card details, including the card number and expiration date. You may also need to provide the security code found on the back of your card. After inputting the required information, click on the Submit button. Wait for confirmation that your card has been activated. You should see a confirmation message on the screen. You will also receive a confirmation email shortly after the activation. Now your Chase Freedom Flex card is activated and ready to use. Feel free to log out of your account when you're finished. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, consider contacting Chase customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.